There's a common belief that simply practicing semen retention will unlock a hidden superpower within you. You'll become an unstoppable force of confidence, energy, clarity, strength, and peace, and women will be drawn to you like a magnet. The internet is full of stories about how everything changes the moment you stop releasing. Yet despite all the hype, there are many who try semen retention and feel absolutely nothing. No extra energy, no confidence boost, no special attraction from women, just frustration and eventually a relapse. Why does this happen? Why do some people claim incredible benefits while others feel like nothing changes at all? To understand this, we have to look at the bigger picture. Semen retention alone is not a magic pill. It's just one piece of a much larger puzzle. If all you do is retain while neglecting your body, your mind, and your daily habits, don't be surprised when you don't feel any benefits. In fact, you might feel worse, restless, anxious, and more likely to relapse than before. That's because energy doesn't just come from retention. Confidence doesn't appear out of thin air. Strength and clarity don't suddenly arrive just because you stopped releasing. Retaining semen without doing anything to charge your body and mind is like having a full tank of gas, but never starting the engine. The fuel is there, but it's not being used for anything. Imagine a man who spends his days sitting in a dark room, scrolling through social media, eating processed food, and avoiding exercise. He starts semen retention and expects to feel powerful, but nothing changes. He still feels sluggish. His mind is still foggy. He's still self-conscious around women. Why? Because his body and mind are still weak. Retention isn't enough to fix years of unhealthy habits. It's a catalyst, not a cure-all. The truth is, semen retention only works when combined with other forms of self-discipline. If you don't charge your body with proper sunlight, exercise, nutrition, and mental focus, your retained energy has nowhere to go. Instead of feeling powerful, you just feel stuck. Sunlight is one of the biggest sources of natural energy, yet many men who practice semen retention barely step outside. Without sunlight, your body lacks vitamin D, which is crucial for testosterone production, mood, and energy. This is why people who stay indoors too much often feel depressed or fatigued. Exercise is another key factor. Strength training, sprinting, and even simple movement like walking or stretching helps circulate your energy. Without it, you might feel stagnant, weighed down by your own stored-up energy that has no outlet. Diet also plays a massive role. If you're eating junk food, drinking soda, and consuming empty calories, your body doesn't have the nutrients it needs to function at a high level. You might be retaining, but your body isn't properly fueled, so you still feel weak. Then there's mental discipline. Confidence doesn't come from retention alone. It comes from pushing yourself beyond your comfort zone. If you avoid social interactions, refuse to challenge yourself, and stay in the same habits, you won't suddenly become confident just because you're not releasing. You have to face discomfort head-on. Public speaking, taking risks, learning new skills. These are the things that build true confidence. Retention might give you a foundation, but if you don't take action, you'll feel just as insecure as before. This is why so many people relapse. They expect semen retention to change everything for them, but when they don't feel anything, they lose motivation. They tell themselves it's pointless, and they go right back to old habits. But the problem isn't retention itself. The problem is that they never built the lifestyle needed to support it. Overcoming the challenges of semen retention means overcoming other challenges too. It means becoming disciplined in all areas of life, not just in holding onto your seed. It means waking up early, moving your body, eating real food, exposing yourself to the sun, and constantly pushing your limits. When you do this, retention stops feeling like a burden and starts feeling like an asset. You're no longer just storing energy. You're using it. You're turning it into strength, clarity, and confidence. The attraction people talk about isn't just from retention. It's from the way you carry yourself when you're living at your full potential. Women are drawn to men who have direction, purpose, and control over their lives. If you're just retaining but doing nothing else, you won't have that aura. But when you combine retention with self-improvement, everything starts to click. So, if you don't feel any benefits from semen retention, take a hard look at the rest of your life. Are you giving your body what it needs? Are you challenging your mind? Are you stepping outside your comfort zone? If not, then retention alone won't save you. It's not enough to just exist and hope for change. You have to actively create the life you want, and retention will amplify the results. That's the real secret. The energy is there. You just have to use it. Another major issue men face is a lack of meaningful goals. Retaining semen without a purpose is like stockpiling money, but never spending it. Your energy needs direction. Set clear goals. Whether they involve fitness, career, relationships, or personal growth. When you're actively working towards something, your energy has a purpose, and you'll naturally feel the benefits of retention more strongly. Surrounding yourself with the right environment is also crucial. If you spend your time around people who lack discipline, engage in bad habits, or ridicule self-improvement, you'll struggle to stay on the right path. Instead, seek out like-minded individuals who push you to be better. If you don't have access to such people in real life, consume content from those who inspire you, read books, listen to podcasts, and watch videos that align with your goals. And of course, develop patience. Many men expect instant results from retention, but true transformation takes time. Just like building muscle or mastering a skill, the benefits of retention come gradually. Some days you'll feel powerful, and other days you won't. That's normal. The key is consistency. Keep refining your habits, keep pushing forward, and over time, you'll see the changes you're looking for. If you made it until here, leave a crown emoji in the comments. I'm doing a little experiment and I want to see how many of you reach the end and are truly willing to finish what they start. And remember, live with honor or die a coward. Thank you so much for watching, brother. Take care and stay strong out there.